It's 5 p.m. on January 1st. You told yourself this would be the year. The year you finally hit those goals, claim the freedom you've always craved, and actually become someone. So here you are, sitting at your desk, laptop open, supposedly working on your new business. Or at least that's the story you told yourself. But after 48 YouTube videos and 3 hours later, you're still sat in that same spot. Nothing done, no real progress made. Most people want to get in shape, but they won't. Most people want to build a successful business, but truthfully, they won't. And the reason? Their brains are completely messed up. And if your brain is messed up, then honestly, so are you. To build anything worthwhile, you need the ability to focus. Focus intensely on one thing for hours, days, even weeks at a time. And if your mind is a mess, how in the hell do you expect to do that? So, here's part 1 on how to unfuck your brain. You're distracted. Let's just agree on one thing. If you want to build anything great, focus is absolutely essential. So what is focus? It's being able to direct all of your attention to one thing and one thing only. If you're not focused, that means your attention is split. You're distracted. Simple as that. The truth is, we're all distracted. We're losing our ability to focus. Nowadays, we can't do anything without needing constant noise or multiple inputs. I bet you've already checked the comments, maybe glanced at your phone. And each time you do stuff like that without even noticing, you're brainwashing yourself, training your own mind to need overstimulation just to function. And with a brain like that, how on earth do you expect to stay focused? Here's the fix. Turn your phone off. Not just off, put it in another room and leave it there for 24 hours. And you'll quickly realize it's not the phone you're addicted to, it's the distraction. You've built an addiction to distraction itself. And if you keep feeding that addiction, then let's be honest. None of what I'm saying in this video will matter. Your goals, you won't get anywhere near them. To break this addiction, you're going to follow a 30-day protocol. Each day is split into 30-minute time blocks, running from 1 a.m. to 12 p.m., midnight. As you go about each day, simply record what you did in each of those 30-minute slots. By the end of the 30 days, you'll have clear, undeniable data on all the useless, pointless shit you're doing in your life. Then, the only thing left to do is remove it. Sounds simple, because it is. So really, what do you have to lose? Just give it a try. Part 2. You're probably confused. Most people have no idea what they're doing with their life, and that's because they don't know what they want. If you don't know what you want, how can you possibly know what to do? And when you know you need to do something, but don't know what, you're left stuck, confused. And that's where most people stay, forever. They either never start anything because they don't know how, or they waste years working on the wrong thing, only to end up with nothing but regret. This state, this mental limbo, is what I call the anti-zone. And chances are, you're in it right now. That stage where you feel the urge to do something, but you're completely unsure what that something is or how to begin, so you don't do anything at all. That's the anti-zone. To escape it, there's just one thing you need to do. Enter the zone. The zone is a mental state recognized by elite athletes, top entrepreneurs, and according to a 1989 study, it's the single happiest state a human being can experience. So what exactly is the zone? Odds are you've felt it before. It's that feeling when you're lost in something, completely immersed. Like when you're deep into a video game and everything else disappears. You're locked in, the outside world doesn't exist. Now imagine feeling like that all the time. Fully focused, zero distractions, steady progress toward your goal. That's where we're trying to get to. No more confusion, just pure focus on exactly what you need to do. And to reach that place, you've got to get clear on a few things. First, where do you actually want to go? Don't overthink it. Don't complicate it. Just sit, stare at your wall, and think until the answer is clear. Once you know what you want, break it down. What steps will get you there? Map them out. Then, all you have to do is act on those steps every single day. If you do that, you'll stay in the zone until you reach your goal. Because that's all the zone really is. An intense state of focus on a single mission, with daily, measurable progress. Part 3. Your diet is fucked. As humans, we live inside a system. You wake up, move through your day, go to sleep, repeat. Now this system has inputs and it has outputs. The inputs are things like your food, your sleep, your environment. And those inputs directly affect your outputs. Sleep 2 hours tonight, and tomorrow you'll be running on empty. That's a fact. So why do we ignore our diet? You've probably picked up a book before, read 2 lines, and instantly forgotten what you just read. That's your diet in action, inputs and outputs. Eat like trash, and you'll think like trash. And if you think you can build anything meaningful while running on garbage inputs, well, you already know the answer to that. If you want better results in life, better output, then you need to fix your inputs first. Your diet can't be an afterthought. Because look, it's great to set goals, it's smart to build a plan, but if you're driving a broken vehicle, it doesn't matter how good your map is, you're not getting anywhere. Stop neglecting your diet. It's easy to overlook, sure, but just trust me on this. Give your body the right fuel, and the results will come faster and easier than ever. Clear mind, clear focus, an unfucked brain.